Have you ever imagined yourself stuck in a work routine until you were 65? Or facing retirement, full of financial uncertainty? Unfortunately, this is the reality for many in the middle class. What if I told you that there is a never-ending rat race in which many in the middle class are trapped, struggling to sustain an extravagant lifestyle? This search often results in remaining in corporate jobs until retirement, due to the financial standards cultivated throughout the career. Let's analyze 7 harmful habits which perpetuate this endless race and prevent the achievement of financial stability. I'm BL, and in this video, we're going to address these habits so that we can avoid them and free ourselves from this rat race as quickly as possible. Stay until the end, as habits 6 and 7 are particularly the most dangerous, and neglecting them can have lasting impacts on your financial life. Habit number 1. Uncontrolled debt. A common dangerous habit in the middle class is the constant borrowing, leading to debt dependence. Although loan is useful when used correctly, many find it difficult to use loans in the right way. Borrowing money frequently can result in dependence to cover daily expenses or purchase items beyond financial reach. This vicious cycle creates a trap that is difficult to escape, causing stress, anxiety, and, eventually, financial ruin. The solution involves creating and sticking to a budget. This provides a clear view of income and expenses, enabling informed spending decisions. Expense tracking helps you identify areas to cut costs and save money. Therefore, increasing income is crucial. Additional jobs or side projects can generate extra income, reducing dependence on debt. This speeds up debt repayment, allowing for a quicker exit from this damaging cycle. If you want to know more about how to increase your income with simple side hustles that pay more than $100 a day, click on the card that appears on your screen right now and find out. Habit number 2. Uncontrolled spending. Another harmful habit is not monitoring your expenses and losing financial control. The lack of control makes it challenging to know how much money is available for use, making it easier to overspend and accumulate difficult-to-pay bills. Not keeping track of expenses results in financial uncertainty, leading to excessive spending and compromising financial stability. Just like the previous habit, the key to avoiding this trap is creating a detailed budget. This budget offers a clear view of money inflows and outflows, identifying areas of excess and opportunities to save. In addition to creating a budget, monitoring expenses is essential. Spreadsheets or budgeting apps like Google Sheets or Excel can be helpful. Diligently tracking expenses allows you to identify where your money is going, making adjustments easier as needed. For example, cutting back on excessive spending on dining out or entertainment can be an effective strategy for regaining financial control. A third risky financial habit is the propensity to acquire more liabilities than assets, neglecting the prioritization of investments that generate income. In finance, assets refer to goods that have the potential to generate income or increase in value over time, such as stocks, real estate properties, or businesses. Liabilities, on the other hand, are items that consume money, such as car loans, credit card debt, or mortgages. The common mistake is to acquire excessively liabilities, neglecting to prioritize income-generating assets. This approach can result in financial instability due to a lack of investment in assets that generate passive income. To avoid this harmful habit, it's crucial to prioritize income-generating assets like rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or starting a side business. These assets have the potential to generate passive income, contributing to long-term financial stability. When making financial decisions, balancing liabilities and assets is essential to ensure a secure financial future. The fourth risky financial habit is trying to appear rich. The search for an image of wealth beyond financial means can result in serious economic challenges. Commitment to an expensive lifestyle often leads to accumulated debt and a constant struggle to keep up appearances. Living within your means and avoiding the temptation to spend on unnecessary items is crucial to breaking this habit. An effective approach is to focus on experiences rather than material goods. Instead of spending on expensive items to impress others, prioritize activities that bring joy and personal satisfaction. This may include spending time with loved ones, exploring new hobbies, or pursuing meaningful work. By living within your means and prioritizing financial goals, you can achieve lasting financial success and break free from the cycle of poverty. Before we continue, tell us in the comments if any of these habits are part of your life. Now, let's move on to the next habit. Number 5. Choosing the wrong financial partner. A lack of financial alignment in a relationship can lead to ongoing conflict and difficulties in achieving shared financial goals. To avoid falling into this trap, it is essential to establish open communication about finances from the beginning of a relationship. When choosing a partner, consider financial habits, attitudes, and goals. If differences arise, it is critical to have honest conversations to find mutual understanding. Setting financial limits and establishing a joint budget can be an effective strategy. These practices will help you and your partner collaborate in achieving financial stability and achieving common financial goals. The sixth dangerous habit is excessive spending on a house. Overspending on a house can lead to a situation where all income is directed towards housing expenses, leaving little room to save or invest. This creates vulnerability to unexpected expenses or emergencies, making it difficult to achieve financial stability. To avoid this trap, deduct all expenses associated with housing, including insurance, property taxes, and maintenance. Furthermore, it is essential to avoid buying a house that exceeds your financial means. Consider alternative options, such as renting or purchasing a smaller home. Renting offers flexibility and freedom, making it a viable choice for those who want to save money or have an unpredictable income. On the other hand, buying a smaller home can provide financial security and allow you to save for other goals, such as retirement or education. When making real estate decisions, think long-term and consider the options that best align with your financial goals. Let's move on now to exploring the last habit. Number 7. Postpone debt settlement. Procrastination in paying off debt can lead to a negative financial spiral, resulting in additional costs due to accumulated interest. Furthermore, the delay in eliminating debt prevents you from saving money and investing in your future. Becoming debt-free not only frees up resources to save and invest, it also reduces financial stress, giving you peace of mind. To become debt-free, it's crucial to create a debt repayment plan and follow it strictly. Start by listing all of your debts, including the total amount owed, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. Then prioritize your debts, focusing on paying off those with the highest interest rates first. Also consider paying off the debt through a loan with a lower interest rate. This way you pay off the debt with the loan and pay much less interest. This can simplify tracking payments and reduce the amount of interest paid over time. Before you leave this video, here's a bonus tip. Sacrifices are necessary. Everyone who achieves wealth goes through specific sacrifices, which prepare you to deal with money and achieve financial success. In the video that is now appearing on the screen, there is a list of the 7 sacrifices necessary for those looking to earn more money and achieve financial independence. Don't forget to watch. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Good investments!